Got to my little spot here where Teddy and I can cool off. It's 92 degrees today. Got my little friend here, Ray. You finding fish? You finding fish? Find those fish. This is a little bird I found back at the land. It fell out of its nest. It was almost dead. I've had it for 6 days now. I brought it back to life and it's doing really good. I have no idea what species it is. I know it's a bug eater. I've been feeding them like this every 2 hours all day long. Feeding them worms and crickets. Teddy's enjoying the cool water of Bear Creek. So we're just kicking back and refreshing along Bear Creek. We're in a little spot that I call Teddy's Pool. This is a nice little place to kick back at. My brook trout friend is right underneath that rock right there. We'll try to zoom in on him. There he is. You can barely see the outline of him. He hangs out right there underneath that rock. And my little bird friend. Whoa, if I could zoom, if I could, he's right here. He's just kicking back. He's got a belly full of worms right now. Now that he's done, finished eating, he's settled down for a nap. Alright, our time is up here. We're going to head on back to the truck, get on home. Pick up my little bird here. Come on, boy. Come on, bird. Come on. You don't want to get off. There he is. Alright, we'll head down trail back to the truck.
I drive the 2014 Flyers Tuning Subaru WRX, and I'm in the Time Attack 1 division.
We've had some big name drivers on Pikes Peak. Is there a particular driver, like when you would come down and watch it, or in the past?